There's a moment when the things that used to take the edge off no longer do. Distractions flatten, compulsions start bringing less relief, and escape stops working. This can feel alarming, but numbing wasn't indulgence, it was protection. When it fades, it's not because you're being punished, it's because capacity is changing. The system is preparing to feel differently. This space between anesthesia and integration can feel raw. You don't need stronger numbing, and you don't need to endure this heroically. You are allowed to notice what it's like to stay present without disappearing. This threshold is held gently in embracing collapse, a free companion if you want it.